So today I'm gonna do a new video and it's gonna be about today's update. Goats finally came. Like I discovered the first day because of the letters in the corner and I've been waiting for like 3 weeks. No, I mean 4 about. Okay, so I'm gonna read today's update and I'm going to buy a goat because I can see through here and we'll see what the other stuff is. So, have you seen the incredible, playful, and super cute, and that's super true, new goats that are bounding around Jamaa? Visit the diamond shop and become a goat today. And that's what I'm gonna do. So, the leap year party. I never saw that one, but I heard about it. So, keep your eyes open for the leap year party. The amazing celebration filled with tons of fun and incredibly rare items that only come once every 4 years. Wait, did they really say every 4 years? I'm not gonna miss that party. February 27th is International Polar Bear Day. Celebrate these amazing animals by clicking on the banner around Jamaa and picking up a special polar bear item in the Conservation Museum. And while you're there, be sure to donate gems to help save real polar bears in the wild. Polar bears are so cool, and yeah, they're really cool and they're super cute. And traveling orders, oh, that's sad because they're so cute. And I would buy one, but I don't know why, I just don't feel like it. So, we just received a letter from Jamaa's owners. They have a great time seeing the sights, and they will be coming back soon to Jamaa. Oh, I thought it meant they were going away from shop, but they're coming back, so perfect. Goat mini book. Visit the Chamber of Knowledge to read and learn all about goats in the real world. Oh, so the Falcons are coming to Jamaa. So I voted for I don't even remember. So anyways, the voting is in and Jamaa has spoken. They would love to see the Falcons in Jamaa, but I didn't really want one because they look too much like eagles. We have passed this info into the alphas and they are preparing an expedition to find the lost Falcon Hearthstone. So is there going to be an adventure? I don't know. So we don't know where they will end up or how long they'll be gone, but hopefully here's some amazing news from them soon. Chatting in Jamaa. Already heard about that. Lucky Party. Be on to the lookout for the Lucky Party, the luckiest and greenest party of the year. There are dozens of awesome pets in Jamaa, and now there's room for members to adopt even more. Oh, that's awesome! But I still had a lot of space. And that is all. And I am going to get myself a goat, and I just saw Crystal Baron with her goat. And there we go. And I'm gonna skip that because it's pretty long and boring seeing which name I'll take. So, okay, so awesome future goat, and I'm gonna buy it. Okay, still 43 diamonds, and I have no ideas what I'm gonna do with that. So please tell me in the comments what I should buy with all these diamonds. Okay, let's meet the click. Oh, it's so cute with headdresses. Wait, let me put better eyes. There we go. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Blue eyes. Even if I don't have blue eyes. Okay. Okay. Wait, I want to see the patterns. Black and cute. Blue, purple. I think I'm gonna check another pattern. Not fire, dude. I don't know. Let me check all the other patterns because I wanna check which one is cutest. I'm gonna go with this one because I just love putting patterns. Oh my god. They're really small. No thanks. Okay, let's see what they do while I already know plays on the trampoline. Oh, their dancing is like so weird. But I just like if there could be like a bit bigger. Sleep. Oh, I want to see that. Oh, but it actually looks like the snow leopards, I think. Or something. I know it looks like one of the animals. Oh, this is so cute. Well, they actually sit like pandas. I know, they're so... I just say anything. There's... They are so cute. Okay, anything else I can do? Okay, so, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, also you can enter my yellow shirt giveaway. But I never said orange shot, but I traded for a better one. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.